somebody like myself, even though I am in finance, I love life sciences and I studied about neuroscience just out of curiosity. And if I'm not mistaken, AI is actually created through neural networks, right? And neurons. And so it's almost as if they're also forming the five senses as well. So I'm interested to know, like, with that breakdown, do you feel like there's this emergence coming to where perhaps they could eventually become very similar to the human experience?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's just never going to be the same sort of experience. You know, humans are going to be humans, machines are going to be machines.
You know, when I started first thinking about AI, honestly, like for me, it was a lot about one, intelligence, like machine intelligence, also data science, and also automation. So that's kind of like how I conceptualize AIs.
Sure.
Like machine intelligence, extracting, basically intelligence from also data science, and then automation, automating tasks that can be mundane for humans to do.
Love it. Yeah.
And that's kind of how I think about AI. And then obviously AI evolved into this generative AI that now kind of think of itself. So yeah, so these kind of like the three pillars when I think about AI is machine intelligence, data science, and then automation kind of.
We are modeling it after human beings. So you're right, like neurons, neural networks is sort of like the layering of neurons, like it's a similar to how our brains are layered. It's the same layering. And in the sense, like how our neurons, how those layers fire in our brains, it's just a different degree of consciousness. Like just like going back to my analogy of flying, are they both flying? Yes, they are flying.
Yeah.
The hummingbird is flying, so is the airplane.
So it's like artificial consciousness.
Yes. Yeah. So it's a different type or category of consciousness.